This camera self. To clean. This camera no con sharp again, no. Trying be boost video. Facebook una don start. I hope you people can see this clearly. I don't know wetin they do this kind. No sharp for my eye. To go buy new for all this Samsung wey never even reach warranty date. Eh? Samsung when I buy with. See the carton here. Eh? Where I buy with warranty. I been had to go change am. Na why I no dey buy use phone. Oh. My people, you are all welcome. I greet you. Welcome, my wonderful people. We might live balm. No, it's you. My wonderful people, welcome. I salute you. Greetings as you're joining the like button. Tap the like button. Share the video for our people to come. And I know through the day online these days because of so many factors. But when there is need, I will come on. And this one, since Friday, I want to do this video about this bastard. But you know, I have other important things to do than to waste my time on a fool like this. This who's failed carpenter. This Anumpama, failed Okada man. This is just an indictment on the Igbo people of today. See the stupid idiots. Now them make this kind of idiot they get mad to talk rubbish. Look at the type of people of all the Igbo sons and daughters all over the world. Now fool like this una go in power. And those of you in Okigwe, I don't pity you people for what is going on there. Because no now. Wait, my people, make I get a let me use virgin olive oil. Na cause wey Igbo people bring upon themselves, they manifest for where this gentle dey and wetin dey do them for body. You see all this nonsense wey they do, na the cause of Biafran. So by the time una go get out of this one, nobody go tell on again, because your parents are so useless that they could not decode the useless bastard called Ojukwu. And because they couldn't decode it, you people shared in the fate of their ignorance. That's why a fool like this, if not, without Biafran, what will make a bastard like this be hiding inside the bush commanding you people? Ndara. I saw the video he made the other day. Oh, you don't know the people that did that thing in school? Even He didn't even know when he exposed himself. Say na because of hunger. Who send una go bush? Una no see work. Ndị iberibe. Who send on a message? And you fools, you bastard, madmen, empty skulls, shameless set of people, you all wait along with this nonsense. Oh, it's nothing that they can. When have you seen Nnamdi Kanu anywhere condemn what these people are doing? Because can you people hear me? I'm not seeing anything in the comment side. If I they hear me, make I go TikTok, because all this their nonsense Facebook, me I no get their time. Make I could go TikTok. Nah. Even that place safe, I go they make money. I go even they make money as I did there. Because all this nonsense what they do for this Facebook, me I don't get any time for these J people. Although now them still get that side, but the way the Chinese people configure that one, it is easier than this one. If you they hear me, let me know. If you know they bring comment, make I, because I love this being interactive. I'll just go TikTok. This motherfucker, the people will make them relevant. Now criminals like Nnamdi Kanu will sell on that bullshit. All of our politicians know say na lie, they lie. And this animal way they see here now, politicians need to work for. Now, I don't understand the type of hopeless people Governor Hope Uzodimma left in charge in Okigwe. Governor Uzodimma, please, you have no rival in Imo State. You don't owe anybody anything. That these people are manufacturing votes for you in Okigwe is not the reason you should tolerate every nonsense they are doing, which is protecting this bastard. We need to tell the truth as it is. Because I've seen the only reason the governor will be tolerating all those people from Okigwe is that they are delivering. Maybe he doesn't want to have a political opponent from that Okigwe, but nobody send Okigwe people. Truth be told, nobody send them. They don't move any needle in the politics of Imo State. Let them take it as they like it. I allow tell you somebody straight, Koroku. Oluzo decides where Imo State goes. And anybody that is using this fool as a bargaining chip is an enemy of the state. There is no vote any idiot is bringing there that another person will not bring. So if this is why the nonsense they are doing is being tolerated, you have to ditch every single person over there. The security apparatus in Okigwe needs to change. You can't tell me that my contacts in Okigwe are seeing this fool and these boys. Even telling me that the so-called vigilante in Okigwe, many of them owe allegiance to this fool. So why do they have the vigilante? They say amnesty. Does amnesty program mean going to work with a criminal? Governor, are you not aware that these people are buying people in Okigwe on a daily basis? Are you not aware they are still robbing goods on the highway? And now, it seems they have this kind of agreement that some of these soldiers in Anambra State have with all those criminals in Osumu and Asia, which is, you don't touch us, we don't touch you. This is the reality. And this is why this vagabond thinks he can be making noise, talking anyhow as he likes, because he knows he's not under any threat, he's not under any danger. That is why he's comfortably moving around Okigwe. In a second, I will play his voice note. Meanwhile, Ozu, you say you are reinstating a seat at home. That Anambra Soludo. Go try him for Anambra State, may thunder fire you. I'm happy Governor Chukwuma Soludo has decoded you people. Now, my people, let me ask you. Ever since Governor Soludo went to Main Market and made that comment where he said that they will soon be looking into all these vigilantes, know why they will be there, and the ones saying they are doing sit at home will still be buying people. Ever since Governor Soludo made that statement, have you heard that anybody forced one sit at home in Anambra State? Eh? Now you see why we need governors like that. This is why Soludo is one of the most intelligent governors when it comes to security. You see Soludo, you see Mba. Eh? You see these two people. They are quietly dealing with these people with a no-nonsense attitude. No be them, then they use these criminals as bargaining chips for. No matter who you are, they will never ever say, oh, because you are a mobilization this one, you go mobilize this one, you demobilize this one. Because he knows another person can still take your place. Go fuck you. Most of all these so-called politicians, without being there, what else do they have to do? Sorry guys, I'll have to. Do they have another work? What else would they do? And outside being in that corridor of power, outside sucking from the breast of the public purse, Oga, they no get anything. Hunger will buy them. And these ones know exactly the power they wield with the power of the purse of the state. I've asked you again, since Governor Soludo read that riot act, have you heard that anybody has gone to do anything? And the person in charge of his security, I call them civilian security, all these Agune Chamber and Co. Ocha Brigade them. Ndakodo. Chief Kenneth Emakai. Have you seen how no-nonsense people work? Have you seen how no-nonsense people work? Which is what is needed in that Okigwe. When I talk now, they say I'm targeting the DSS. The DSS is supposed to be in charge of that Okigwe side. Now look at the one they are using as security, the Ebe Kuodike. A motherfucker. You hear him on IPO. Somebody that is friends to IPOB people is now differentiating them. No, that one is BLA. What's the difference between ESN and BLA? Oh, BLA now the people who follow Simon Ekpa. Because they don't want to be under Nanka. Now, all the crimes that all of them are committing, you people want to separate it, divide it in half. And be calling this, oh, it's not ESN, it's BLA. What's the difference between ESN and BLA? Oh, because those politicians, these ones have the different set of politicians they are working with. For that reason, you believe that you can protect your own side. Now why all of them can go up now go jail Simon for Finland, thinking it will give them the kind of soft landing. And I believe that's one of the reasons they did not give him the pie sentence, which is an atrocious move. I still believe that Justice James Omotosho was leaned on when he said he was coming back within, I think, how many, but he said at 2 p.m. At the end of the day, he came back 4 p.m. I believe these people were the ones making calls. And they had to give him that soft landing of life imprisonment. And the court of appeal, for the sake of justice, must hang Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. They must hang him. Because I don't understand the flimsy excuses given by Justice James Omotosho. You read a fireproof, waterproof judgment, laid everything on the ground. At the end of the day, you are telling us that Christ said, and as a Christian, what about the victims who are not Christians? What about those of us who are not Christians? Have you asked us what Iwu Amadio has said? Yeah? Have you asked us what the law of Amadio has says on such a case? If you are going to do it that way. We are running a secular country. So why not follow what the law said? You are telling me Bible. What you concern me concern Bible. Waiting concern us concern Bible. I still believe that the same people that blocked the extradition of Chinas and Wewu are the same people that pulled that string. Okay? All this nonsense of putting the lives of our security men at risk over politics. Who interest are we protecting? That this bastard calling himself Ifanye's own Woshi, he's living like his father lived. Everybody from Akokigwe knows his father as a robber in Enugu. That's where they not leave township for Enugu because of robbery. Now this one came. They revolutionized it. He built on what his father planted in him. Of course, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. Then because he has politicians he's buying people for, he's selling human parts for. They've made it easy for them to have access to human parts from all over Nigeria. And Igbo has become where human parts are sold as cheap merchandise. They are still buying people in Okigwe. Do not let what they are doing on the surface deceive you. Please, those of you in Okigwe, keep posting those photos. Keep posting those healthcare centers. Keep posting those schools. The fact that he's crying over it means he's getting to him. The only revenge many of you can be able to get is to expose their crimes, their evils. How many people have died by this year alone? women in the village. Those of you they are entrapping with coming home to Okigwe, do not try it. You see them, they're organizing church prayer, clapping. Which very useless set of people. How many times will they run this? Come on, you ndo Okigwe di beribe. Unu nine datani beribe. Na sunu Biafra. Okamwa ke eji ya ke yikwu na egwu. Very silly set of people. Which nonsense Biafra? About this bunch of failures. I'm not in Okigwe, idiot with all those crickets where they cry for background. Wait, make I play this thing for now. Noshi. Criminal. Onyara. Mad criminals. Fools. Obongurumbo. Ewu. Or bank ki isu ibe gi gbambu ibe gi gbara bank. Obu on hustle obodo ibo ki ije nwuru. Obu risk ki take nwuru. Onye oshi. On the gbara gi nkete. Na people will leave you ozu. You not know my number. Call my number. Make thunder fire you. Idiots. They answer gentle. Gentle kill you there. Call my number as you they call other people. Bastard. They burn your useless mama way. Try am. Oh, Ijele. If you come to Okigwe, I go come that Okigwe. I go come that Okigwe. If I want to come to Okigwe, and I dare you, give me date and location of your choice. Date, time, and location of choice if they burn you where. Try am. Anybody will no call you mama. Ozu. Give me date, time, and location. You no see me there. Call me back. I go send you go meet your brother. Ewu. Make I show you on him brother na. Mutobo. Make I show on him brother. And they come. Ozu ikukogide kukofuo nwanne gị nwoke anụ mpama no be boy you be this, no be boy you be this one. Ndara wait till you make I show you him nonsense brother. Where that you told okay, he did the other phone. He did the other phone. Muiti. Well, to make I play the I missed that
My wonderful people of Biafran, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, wherever that you are listening me from. I agree to you.
Nego di English. Whenever that you are listening, nego di English mad. See English, RIP English, name mother and Swahili. No common English, you know, learn for school. Fool. School where you go for Kigwe, you born amu. In primary school for Kigwe, born amu. Illiterate or job. The English. Where back I start again.
My wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location, wherever that you are listening me from.
See.
I greet you all. I still remain as your humble brother, Ifan Chuko Orientizer, aka Gentle de Yahoo. I am up today being 24th of April 2026. The reason of me now coming up is this. I have decided not to talk.
The reason of me now coming up, you say idiot who I suppose who I go to exchange words with. No, you bullshit name this call. Ne sumu na ga bia na ekwe ne 1 pound 10. Ne wanu manu, lewe ni iti.
Again. But I want to make it clearly. Let me use our language. Because our people
use our language, my English go susuna isumudo ibo. You fit beke na your mate.
France. But before I proceed, I have to appreciate all lovers of freedom and all supporters of freedom all over the continent. I greet you all. And I wish all of you long life and prosperity. I think and I appreciate each and every one of you for your effort and support over Biafra struggle and Biafran
Hold on, my people.
Agitation. We must fight this fight to the end, and we are winning the war. We are winning the war. I repeat, we are winning the war, and we must fight to the end.
You are winning which war? Mother Valley, una never near and see so. Also, there's still the Mother Valley. Oh, me I come create content inside Mother Valley. I come down. So how long? Cause where una take do na headquarter before. Now you also people now they go village, they come back as they like. Now it be the war which war they win. You see, failures. We no feel force on. You are free to tell yourself whatever is needed to make you happy. Whatever you can tell yourself and sleep well at night, and for the fools that are giving you people money to keep on doing so, and for the bastards that still believe you people, whatever is needed, go ahead.
And also, I want to appeal to our people. I want to appeal to our people for everyone to keep fighting. Remain resolute. For we are winning this war. Biafra is yours. Biafra or nothing. Whether they like it or not. But please and please, Biafra land is so much calm right away.
Which calm?
And we merit.
It's a bloody lie. It is calm because the Mother Valley has been taken. Aribo is relatively calm. No, let nobody deceive you. It is not calm because Okigwe is still not calm. Half of Njaba. If you are approaching Njaba from Owerri, the left side is not calm. Oh. The right side is relatively calm. You see, from Umunoha Junction, you see that in Jenny. Left hand side, everywhere there. Ma afaran bitolu. Umunoha, measure her forest too. Is not calm. Don't let anybody deceive you. Ifakala is not calm. Akokigwe is not calm. Umulolo Kigwe is not completely calm. Obinetiti, some part of it is not very calm. Now, the Imo State side that is very close to Umunnochi is not calm. This relative calmness is because of this still ongoing operation, and that is thanks to the 34 Artillery Brigade and the 82D Venugu. All thanks to the GOC 82D Venugu, to the 34 Artillery Brigade, Obrinzowere, the Navy, the deep blue of the Nigerian Navy or Ministry of Defence, but na Navy get am. Na dem dey lead am. The police, of course, if you are from Imo State, I don't need to remind you that you should be praying for tiger base every day. I don't need to remind you that the tiger base is the reason everywhere from that Akwa Akuma to inside Owerri is very safe. Go out for Owerri for night. Even my security people know they know when I dey comot to. And they go, they flex, they move everywhere. The other day, I say make I go opposite the Angels. Go collect my eye tablet. No. Guess where they there? One girl now just call me. Say, Ijele, you. Even say, see J Park the other day. Where you want come carry one? I mean, they tell you now. I go lie for you. Forward. Yes. Now imagine you say I be person where they go Taranwa. Now so they go they catch. I'm telling you, Okwahuru Kanjeri Goro. Yes. And for night, no matter when you come out, you go still see tiger base. You go still see tiger base. People. They even our security, civil defense. DSS, oh no, government, no, make you just be say, no, he asked for the DSS people for, they have got Celeste man now around 10 in the morning they come, evening 7:30 don't. But normally for day, the DSS guys, they will, even the boys, the DSS people where they work now, those operatives. Because if you come 2 a.m., many of them they ambush. 3 a.m., many of them they ambush. The leadership now know there. But you see those men, those guys, those operatives where they there. Oga na confirm. You know wetin be DSS now. Only say when people with sheep spirit they lead a pack of a pride of lion. You get as he dey be, you go come be like say lion no be lion again. Or you go see a dog pack. Na one ram, na one sheep. They lead them. That be the problem. If not, oga peace where people they experience for Imo State now, because of security. Governor Hope who's the money where they pump in there. And I don't see say nobody for Imo State they shut them again. Body don't tell them. And they don't marry 2 wives. Can't know the one who love them pass. They don't test both sides. Turugoji turumboro. Mara nke ka ato. Turugoji turumboro. Ishiju onye obula oyi. So don't mind this bastard. That you are having peace does not mean they want to give you peace. Because it's not in their own hands. They know born them well. Gentle. With the kind of money where you don't thief. Fear no go let them come outside. Fear no go let them. Why you think saying come they do Nollywood for now? Where you carry gun, they do pa. Chimeze, I know they see comment here. Now your work to they block all this room. Now your work to enter as admin, they block any bastard where they comment any nonsense there. Or they understand. So no mind them. No mind am, nothing concern them. The peace where they southeast now, where una dey experience, na because they knack them. You see that garrison commander, Fobris, you know wetin I tell like, you know the rich soldier, make that bullet finish o. Make that bullet feel, yeah. And the boys, they ready. Every unit, everything complete. As all the dead body, most of the dead body where they inside bush, where nobody grip pick now. They know say bullet go to reach them that side. Now after a few days, inside the bush, the dead body go to smell everywhere. You do bang, or that they go use AA. Baff you. He ready to clear the full bullet instead make it this one so that you know what it means. Person do operation since February 4th, 12th. He never lose one soldier. You know what that one mean? Because he not ready to risk his soldiers for you bastard. Bullet, government get bullets. AA full everywhere. You hear that? I'll hear it. Bust that way. Or that they go bust your side. You go hear way.
Make it how it is now.
Even you will be civil fight to go to hungry you. You go the shame why you no join army. You hear them like this, like I say I go I go do so that time I go to see message for a box. You jail a beg now. Make these people they take weight in this. Come on for there, the grace. You say if I need to pass the message, I go even tell Ashoga they say this bullet no they reach this other side. Oh, please, Ijele, we are no more. All these old women, which old women? Where they do all these, where all these bastards, they do all this things. Shebi una need Biafran. Una need what? Una what experience am ba? See, this one a preamble. This one a neba, eno chache egbe, eno chache ude egbe. Mistake where they get today, where we go, we do Ramando. Now because I don't come out when I hear say they say anybody will shoot one bullet go pay.
But
so I'm for tell me this thing in time. No word they come again. Next time now like 5 days to 1 week. And those 5 days to 1 week, anybody if your mind no fit carry am, back go your maternal home. Back, go your maternal home. Maki yoga na adabo chan. No, mwe kansi nnoto pem na mmadu se. Ni bere osu bekpem enukwa da. Unu manu go shada. Mbe ama modin ge select bia. Ama mundinge vanquish ne kono for that day ya no abucha no also. Nka age station like akwara na ayu akunu chọrọ ịpụ ara ka egosi na ihe egbu ịpụ ara. That one a madness. They go kill her under 5 minutes. Now go know say government just keep quiet for the believe.
I want to use this a wonderful opportunity to send this message to the people of Okigwa. Udele is a bastard. Udele is the son of the bitch.
He don't even know how to speak. See bad fucking motherfucker. See son of a bitch that doesn't even know how to use the phrase. Nwosu onye Okada, failed Okada man. Atahango ndo Okigwe kagina ha na-egwu egwu. Okigwe people, I don't tell on. Leave this fight between me and them two. The only thing why I need to say, na here in day. I don't see I'm saying pass on. Stop allowing him hide in your place. Just tell me say na this so place the camp today. Finish. Una go dey fear. They do juju. Which nonsense juju? Na information. Na informant they get, and don't give any information to all those security people who will not get there. Be it army, be it DSS, send the message directly to me. Now that talk where una they talk, and more na they watch cameras around the place where una they see they discuss. Now all those things be the place where they from they know where to una they do. No be any juju. Enwe ọgwụ oji. Ọgwụ na ọgwụ ahụ oji na-arụ ọrụ, ọma na-ezogharị ihe niile ọ na-ezo n'ime ọhịa. Agwụgo m unu tụọrọ dị m aka si n'ebe a ka onye anọ ka mụ na ya na-abụje mee ya once. He is not ready to come out and tell me n'ebe a ka ọ nọ. Sọsọsọ ka ọ ka na-agba. Stop listening to him. Sons of Oshiazun. Unu ọgwụ unu ha na-emebi na ụmụ skuulu unu ha mebiri ka esendere ma ọ na-ebe nke ha otu a. Imagine ebe tụrụ m ebe onye a n'aka. Don't tell any ifuru nke a na-akpọ ebe kuo dike. Do not be giving him any information. Are you hearing me? DSS, don't give them any information. Come to me directly. Come to me directly. My inbox is open. If I didn't answer you today, tomorrow I may see it. Are you getting me? Are you understanding me now? Stop giving any other person. We're telling me I may go dear once. No, because artists there, did you see him one day make any noise? Don't worry, I pay for Okigwa. If Okigwa, I'm not very happy there. Man, if from Boston they decide to be Okigwa, Mijishiga.
Mr. Nobody.
And you're hiding.
And
Mr. Nobody, just to call me for phone now. If na nobody, you they call people for phone. You they even call people where they abroad, they threaten them. But all of una hold my number. If I yes, they call me if I be nobody. Those of una away from Okigo will get my number. Give am my number, make him call me. Gentleman number were 0701-862-2814. Gentleman number were if they born you well, call your own like this. Where the number? Take number. Mebuhugi. Itra ye gen ho. One of them. No be to dey make noise. Him and Amana gather heavy you could name £1. If na nobody, try call me if they born you well. If they born you ashawo mama well. Obu na amuri ikwu ashawo nego ofuma. Bo na phone ki ifugodu. Call Wogi. Try go there call Wogi first. Bastard.
I told me make a maranka for somebody na pota online on social media, lamenting, talking rubbish, videoing some areas in Omawa, telling the people that look at what Biafra is, it how Biafra will be. That is why I came up today, being 24th of April.
Did it happen or not?
To analyze it clearly and to the understanding of our own people.
Did it happen or not?
These are the Eflef Igbos, you know. I know that Igbos is great.
So the person that is showing your crimes is now the Eflef and not bastard like you. Failed carpenter 6 months now you go learn carpentry for Aba. Ojukodi ke ezigbo carpentry work. Failed Aba carpenter. Failed Okada man. O nwere ihe pastor na-eburu iko nsọ flag. Anụ mpama. O nwere ihe pastor na-eburu iko nsọ flag. Oh, you that destroyed the place is not a slave. The people you are calling a slave are the people that are exposing your evil, your crimes. Okay? Ah, no generation ndị Igbo abụrụ ọnụ bụ ihe nyere unu right unu ji akụ eri ihe unu na-akụ. In a reasonable society, anụ ọfịa dịka gị ekwesịghị ịnwụsị nsi ọnọ n'ime cage. But I'm telling you, if you n'ebe nọ ka ọ ga-awụ gị. Ọ ga-awụ gị ka mbara ifuru ndị politicians ga enwekwe nke ga-azọ gị n'aka m. All those your politicians, all those corrupt law enforcement where they work with and all this nonsense, none of them go save you the day where you go set. I mean, they promise you that.
Both must be great. Biafran is great, and the Biafran must be great. Whether all these slave, missing blood, bastards, all these people at Rima and Uga during the time on Nahabaga also Uga Goga onions or let's say tomatoes.
At least no be your mama will be cheaper shawu for Kigwe. No be your mama will then they fuck for mats. No be your mama. Your mama when your papa did the thief for not now these useless drunk bastards now they fuck up. At least them better than they work. Then they go buy food, come they sell for Southeast. Better than your useless family. Now they see I'm not these useless people who get useless mothers. No be saying now these high class women will be say they use the thing make money. No, they run foolish people. They go for them, give them money, make they buy a camo for the bastard. Now them be na idiot. At least all those ones their mothers slept with big men now. Your own how you take grow fool. Oko. How you take grow also anompama. N'ezie anụmanụ poor man fried rice na-agụ nwe na-akọghịrị. So my people, like I said, ndị Ọkigwe wetin dey pain am na all those in scam, all those in crime wey una dey show. Keep showing it. Oh, you dey hear me? Keep showing those his crimes. He dey pain am. If you know the rich and for bail, you no go dey cry like this. If you know the torture, you no go dey cry like this. If rebene be in afo, you hold am for neck, you won't your mortgage move. Atogu like this, so we call this year. What they fear most is people knowing what they did. Because it destroys, it dismantles all their lives. And once the lives are dismantled, they have nowhere to go. Ndokigwe, nto unu. Akunu na kangu unu, what? Oh, they are marginalizing us in Imo State. Oh. We know say we Oluzon, we dey too high-handed in terms of power. That's why even me, I dey tell Uche Nwosu, nwoke, as much as many people or some people will want you to be governor of Imo State, please, it's not your time. It's not your time. Ndị ọlụ ejego ya ka a ga-eji ya bugodunu now. We cannot be talking about marginalization and power sharing at the center. Meanwhile, we come to Imo State and only one senatorial zone. You understand? But if you don't even deputy abụọ kwa Imo steeti ọnụ na aga ewere power nye anybody n'Ọkigwe. Ihe ọsọkwara unu bee n'akwa kụọ n'isi n'ala for this type of evil unu mere. Kai, onweghị onye Ọkigwe ga-abụkwa gọvanọ Imo steeti for now. Chezonia, all of you want to use our, and that is the same reason Ihedioha will never be governor of Imo State. Let Ihedioha jump up from now till tomorrow. He will never be governor of Imo State. He will explain that phone call. Was that your number or not? You must explain that phone call. If you say it's AI, let's try it. Let's put it to test. You can't fool us. You are not deceiving anybody. Then if it's not AI, explain to us what you mean by Imo State will not have peace until Emeka returns to return where? onye na-ebekwuru ihe bụ n'Galadima isi abụ okpu akụnụ na hope na-eji ime ka anyị na-emsiga anya ka anyị ga-anọ na-eme unu na hope na-eji ịgba awantero kedụ ebe ume onye nwanne uru as what? As gịnị ọkpụ unu na-eti ke ndị unu jide eme ihe a ọ nọ so nkwa ha bụ ndị ga-etiri unu nwa ka ọ dị anụ mpapụ. If he had, he go come, he go dey court to dey explain where I take the IPOB member na that one dey cool am. He go dey explain am, and that money IPOB money wey he say mboso o mere noise too much or bịa kọwagodu nke ahụ ọfụma. Na pure 7 years be that for prison. Na pure 7 years. My yawa I dey put am for cooler. Just now I na-echu unu. This one not be him and governor. Wetin concern governor na me and you go dey do am. All these ones wey una dey gather say dem be una wetin. We go use our own hand dey deal with them. I don first send una governor hope. Una first know. Him know na say me no send am. Me and the nwa baby virgin still dey court. So that one he go soon come do his miracle for court. To show you say we no send anybody. But what we will never allow is anybody that plays with the lives of Imo State to smell that place. Or God will go show you say we be more light. You will know the difference between Ndimo and other states of our league. All I go know why we be the most educated per capita. We go know why we no be useless people. Say that thing we okay no car for no am. Only obona ge you go yo omete. And that's for Uche Nwosu nwoke were ga jeje chọ iji eme. Save your money. Save your money. Don't waste your money. Just JJ, because we are blaming you for ruining the political career of Rochas Okorocha. In case you don't know, All those things you and Banga been they do. That no chance even settled on the can I not say your hand go down. A man that came to power without political leverage of any of all these people that think they own Imo State. His first 4 years, very nice, very perfect. Very good. All of a sudden, you Banga. In case you don't know, now we swallow him. In case you don't know, now when they catch emperor, go ask director we call see dams. Now me call them, tell them say see emperor, they don't catch him for Delta State to demand where they with say we go to hide them. I know mega na agwadia. So all those on a book of remembrance day. On a book of remembrance day. Now I own a manjia igwu n'Imo State. No sense unu na epete. Inwere ike na epete na Anambra State to Abia State. Yeah? If Raleigh Soti, ya chiwakwa Abia State, so nobody is going to challenge him in Abia State. Next election, me self, I for more challenge Alex Soti. I no see anyone who challenge Alex Soti for Abia State because all the other people, each and every one of them are part of the old system that left Abia on the ground. But he knows saying of Abia, that thing end. Okay? With all this in romance, all the make him no do affair. I'm happy he said that is after Abia State, that he's not going to do anything. We'll take him by his word, though. Because if he come out, you see, as we take home Peter Obi, so we go home. When Peter Obi be they do for Anambra State, when they run in Catholic administration, Shebinti say na their word end. But you see am today, we still dey follow am. Una don't understand. So we are setting a standard for the upcoming generation. Now why? If all these ones they cry, you know, concern us. Now when you come here, we go explain to you what that person do. So if most people they forget, you still get people who no go forget. Ihe anyị nọ bụ nọ ị na-abịa na-ebupụtere gị akwụkwọ gị maka ị na-eme agba gị nkịtị. O nwere ihe anyị ga-eme gị ọkwa mba. O nweghị ihe anyị ga-emenu gị nọ mgbe time ruru ifụkwa na anyị nwere our own power and we will wield it. Okay? We will wield it. Ọsọkwa mmadụ na-ebe akwa na-akụ isi na wọd na your business. Onye chọọ anyị na-erujuo ya afọ. Ịchọ debate, we are ready for anybody. Onye so na ka akpawa trigger, ka ifugodu ndị ahụ ichi. Ka ifugodu ndị ahụ ị nwere na-akpa trigger, ha pụtagodu ka akpagodu ya first. Ha bịa ka akpawa egodi ya small, akwa ị na-akpa nke gị na-akpa nke gị. Onye kpatụrụ ibe ya jewe. So ọkụ wadi. Ọkụ wadi, ọ wote ebe otu ọbụla isi n'ute gị, anyị dewere gị ọfụma. Time ruo ịchọkwa idina, anyị tọọrọ gị ha. Ando ute gị aka ị gara, onye ọsọ gị bụrụ ọsọkwa gị na-ebe. Ọsọkwa gị na-ebe na-akpọ, na-agbatị. Ọsọkwa mmadụ na-agbatị like this, afọ akwamihu gị. Ihe a ji eme gị abụ na ndị nke ọzọ ọkwọ ka ha na-enene ya. Yes. You decide zie ma ị chọrọ ịbara onwe gị uru. Ka ị chọrọ ka eme ego otu a, ọ bụghị mmadụ niile ga-echefu. Ịghọtago? Ka were na-egwu ndị Anglican mechie. Na-agafe dịka kpakpando ụtụtụ ka ihe agwụrụ mgbe anyanwụ wara. O otu aka ị ga-esi si na ụwa nkana naanị ọnụ anyị ka ga-eji cheta ndolu awọ naanị ọnụ anyị naanị ọnụ anyị naanị ọnụ anyị ka ga-eji cheta otu aka ị ga-esi si na ụwa nkana naanị ọnụ anyị ka ga-eji cheta anyị na-arụ ya mgbe ahụ ọ dịghị ka ụwa gburu di ya ụwa agbụghọ ịghọtago ụwa agbụghọ and ihe ọ sọkwara mee n'ụwa ndị agaghị ma ekwe dị ka anyị will never finish asị ijecha anyị chere gị ebe anyị chere gị ịkọghericha ịmagherichacha ọnụ ọ bụghị na you hate your people tọndawọgbuo gị die ịlaikiri ụmụnne gị mgbe ị na-akpagbu oke bifo ịlaikiri ụmụnne gị mgbe ị na-ekwu na Imo steeti ama nwe peace ịlaikiri ụmụnne gị mgbe ị na-eme mpawa General Banga ndị nke ọkaigwe a na-emeduru na ebere nke gịnị na jentụlụ anụ ka anyị nyezie unu gọvanọ nọ ka ọ bịasie echi bịa tọnda ga-agbawuchi unu iyi nakwa efuru ka ọ dịwagodu. My people, thank you so much for being a part of the program this evening. I love you all and stay blessed.